Oh, try sharing again. I thought I
Okay.
gave it permission. Ooh, nice. Right. Let's see where you're at. I can see it.
Okay. Trying to get to um I didn't open up the
Oh, you didn't. Oh my
command
god.
line.
Oh no. Oh,
Okay,
okay.
let me do that now.
Bro, I freaking forgot to freaking turn them off last night. I don't know how that's gonna
Oh, for
affect me.
real? Yeah, hopefully it don't affect too much.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to ask Poe. Cool. What step
So
you? Or I'll let you finish setting up. My bad.
okay, no, I was just gonna say, can you see my command line?
Yes, sir. I can.
Okay. So right now I wanna say if you go to I don't know the Slack or the instructions, the activity for container, I swear I'm right at the bottom. I thought I had everything completed, but going into the next step for provisions, something isn't right. So I feel like something isn't connecting, or
Uh-huh.
I don't know where I'm lost at.
Let me see. I'm gonna share my screen real quick, and you tell
Okay.
me about where you're at. So, which activity are you on? Do you know?
Uh,
Activity.
day two,
Uh-huh.
containers, the third one.
The third one. Okay, let me scroll up
Mhm.
there. Alrighty. Solution
Yeah.
containers. Okay, cool. Alright, let's do this. Let me move that. Go ahead and share your screen again with me.
Okay.
Or actually, it actually already popped
I'm
up
s-
when I stopped
okay.
sharing. Cool, cool. Let's see here.
Uh, looks like mine isn't. I thought I started. Uh, Let me just make sure it started.
You're okay. And then after you start that, I'm just gonna ask if you don't mind for you to organize, just because it's my own
Yeah.
mentality. If you can, so just so I can see everything, you
hmm
can do me a favor and just split your screen like this. So what I did, oops, not that. Where you at? Nope, not, yes. So what I personally did so I could see everything is I split my screen. I put my computer IP here, my jump box public, private, web 1, web 2, both they're privates. Do you mind?
Here, I'm gonna stop sharing so I can see yours.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh, no problem. Let me see.
Let me know when you got it.
Okay, I see what you're saying.
Cool, cool. Do you
Oh,
mind just opening a Word doc and like just getting at least this info all right here, and then
okay,
if you don't mind, just splitting your screen is just how I like to work, to be honest.
okay.
And then like that, I think we can. And then like you can even after that you can bring your terminal
hmm
because you don't need terminal. You don't need much of it. You can whatever. You have another screen, right?
Uh-huh.
Okay, I figured because I saw you moving stuff off. Oh, are you setting it up?
Yeah, I'm gonna try to set it up now.
No worries, my man. No worries.
See.
Cool. Whew. And then, yeah, terminal would probably fit right here. There. That'd be good. Yeah, that'd be a good setup. If you don't mind. Just
Oh, no
because
problem.
I like to have everything in vision, you know what I mean? Instead of clicking around. Cool. You
All
want me to
right.
stop sharing or?
I'm still looking at the stuff you need. So here we go. Let me just do.
Mhm. Ooh. So you took the day off?
Yeah. I'm hoping it was worth it.
Right? Well, if we can get you caught up, hopefully that'll be worth it.
Absolutely.
I'm just gonna be eating them. I'm mute my mic for now.
Oh, no problem. I'm gonna try to do this as quick as possible.
Take your time, my man. No rush. Cool. Cuckoo. So he's right here. Week 13, day 2 activity, 3 solution file. Yeah.
Hey, you got to turn that off. Hey, I'm on the phone right now.
Yeah, I'm looking at this, bro. I swear I was fucking stuck on this part for an hour yesterday. It was horrible. And it was a little mistake, just one number difference. I was like,
And that's why I saw you asking different questions, and I thought you had like one of those aha moments at one point,
yeah,
and
I
I was
did
still
about
trying to
this
catch
right here.
up.
No, I know, man. So, a tip, what I've started doing, honestly, well, just while you're setting up, if I get stuck on a part, I'm recording the whole class from beginning to end. So if I get stuck, I stop my recording and play it on the side and record what's happening next. So I can do those steps as we go and just try to keep up,
What do you use for a recorder?
I use Screencast-O-Matic, but Poe and some other people were mentioning something else that's free. This is it's not the most expensive. It's like $40, $50 a year. You have to pay it annually. But I'm going to switch over to what they were talking about because it's like industry standard. It's free. So I'm like, say less.
Okay.
Because I think I have to renew this pretty soon. But I'll send you what it is. And then in class, if I remember, I'm going to ask. Let's see, ScreenPal.
Okay. I didn't know where to get my do I have to do that curl
curl? Did you
code?
curl? What was that again? I don't remember.
I just know it's a way to look up your IP, I think.
Oh, nah.
Okay.
Just go ahead and go to your internet and
Okay.
there's this thing. I can probably find it in my history if this thing would move out of my way. Okay, there we are.
What's my IP?
Yeah, what's my IP? Probably. I think that's it.
Okay.
Yeah, what's my IP address? Boop. I don't know if you see it on my screen. Should be the IPv4 is what you want.
Okay.
I have to come back and blank this out.
Oops, that's the 6. Oh, here it is.
It says my location. That's funny. Let's see how accurate it is.
All right. Get that notepad.
Whew. And sorry, I'm just signing all that because I don't know. I'm just exhausted.
No, that's okay. I appreciate it again.
Yeah, no, of course. I just don't want you to think it's at you or anything.
Okay, so I'm trying to I want to go straight to, let's see, containers and try to see if I could. Okay, so looking at day 2, activity 3, containers.
Mm-hmm.
When I was doing all of this, I got all of this accomplished.
Okay.
But I feel like I remember seeing the active running as far as my Docker. I even got this right here where it said download newer image or latest. But as far as right here, when I went into the root of the Docker, this is about the far as I've gotten, because even when I tried to do the keys, every time I try to go into Web 1 or Web 2 SSHN, it says something about public key.
Okay, let's do this. Let me look at my screenshots here. So I'm watching your screen right now. Let me reorganize my screen now, just because I don't need all that now. Let's put that to this now. There we are. Okay. Sure, good. And you said day 2, activity 2?
Day 2, activity 3.
3. Okay, cool. So let's see. Open your terminal and SSH into your jump box. You said you did complete activity 2, right?
I've gotten far through it, but once I go into activity 4, it feels like I didn't complete activity 3 because
Okay.
something's not quite right. But as far as all the different screenshots in activity 3,
Mm-hmm.
I accomplished most of them to even right here when it says you now get a new command prompt showing that you are connected to the container.
Mm-hmm.
Run exit to quit.
Okay.
After
Cool,
I
cool.
do that, yeah,
Okay, no worries. Then we'll go ahead
okay,
and just pick up on activity 3. I'm looking at the solutions, and if it gives us a problem, then we'll move back to activity 2 and just make sure everything looks
okay.
good. Let me look at a screenshot here. So I took a screenshot of that yesterday. I better have. I did not, because I want to make sure you have it set up. Was it sudo list docker list? Type in for
Let's see
me
it. Mm-hmm.
um, sudo docker. Is it? I think it's tac a. Oh,
Okay. Is that
maybe.
it?
Well, hold on. Let me double check myself.
Okay.
I think it's LA, but hold on. You're gonna have to give me 1 sec. I gotta find that recording
Not
because
a
I
problem.
appreciate you. Move that over here. This was yesterday's. That's not a recording. And then just a heads up, so Zoom only lets me do this for 30 minutes at a time, so once this one ends,
Okay.
I'll just send another Zoom link,
Okay.
yeah, through, Slack. Bro, why is it not letting me open this? Oh, I'm dumb. I was making the mistake. What's the activity? Okay. Sudo docker, okay. Ah, okay. Go ahead and do for me, oh, did you already SSH into it?
I'm trying to right now, but it's I don't know. Does this usually you have to wait
Um,
for this? Oh no.
Host timed out. Okay, no worries. For me, real quick, do sudo docker
Mm-hmm.
container list. 2 words. And
You
then
say
tac
lift?
list. list. You're good. And then
Okay.
tac a. And then hit enter. Okay.
Let me see if my stuff is running.
Let's see. Is this your Jumpbox provisioner that we're in?
Um, no, this is. Oh, let's see. Yes, the one ending in 4 is my jump box provisioner. Or do you use the public to open it?
Let me see. Let me show you cause because I don't think we're in the right spot right now. Type
Okay.
in "Who am I" on your terminal for me.
Okay. All together or separate?
All together, yeah. Who am I? Is that the username of your Jumpbox provisioner?
No.
No? Okay. Do me a favor,
Yeah.
on the left side of your screen under Jumpbox provisioner, just because I like to double check. Far left side, go ahead and scroll all the way down for me. A little more left, yeah, all the way down. Help, go click on reset password. We're not actually going to reset anything, but I just want to see for myself so I can be able to recognize it. Red admin is, okay. So, what are you in here? Okay, so this is probably just the name of your actual terminal on your right?
Yeah. Uh,
Okay, so let me split my screen over here because we need to get into the Jumpbox provisioner first off. Oh,
okay.
wrong thing. No, stop it. And let me. Sorry, let me just make a note because that was a handy little command that we just typed. Handy commands was sudo, so I don't have to look for it again, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Docker container list tac a. Okay. Yes. And then go ahead and type in the public, I believe, public IP for that one.
Okay.
Nice. Cool. And then go ahead. Nice.
There we go.
So now we're in here. Perfect. Now we're going to do that sudo again.
Okay.
I'm going to copy it and paste it in chat for you.
Okay.
There we are.
Do I have it? Oh, perfect.
Yeah, you won't be able to up arrow it because that's technically another account.
So, where is the chat? Oh, here we go.
What I can do too. What happened to my screen? Ah, there it is. I can also DM it to you real quick. Steven.
I'm gonna type it sudo.
Yeah, sudo docker container list tac a. Why is it not letting me? Cool. Okay, so it looks like you have 2 Dockers installed. Looks like 2 hours ago. Okay, because you said you reset everything up, right?
Mm-hmm.
About an hour ago, about 2 hours ago. So I'm gonna say, did you mean to purposely set 2 up, or were you aware of
No.
that? Okay.
No.
I'm gonna say let's go with the 2-hour one and assume you did everything on that. Or if you want, just because I would hate to, go through all the steps and then not have it, would you want to just reset those up?
Yeah.
So then what we're going to do sudo docker stop and then the name of it. So the name of one of them is that cranky_cannon.
Okay.
And this is just to basically turn it off. And then there was another one, it was stop, and then, so you're going to do the same thing, just hit up arrow for me. And then do, here we go, change stop to RM for remove.
Okay.
Just hit up arrow for me.
Oh, up.
Yeah. And then just change stop to remove.
Okay.
Or RM, yeah.
Okay.
Enter. And then up arrow again, twice. There you go. And then change that name to beautiful_Cray. You see where I'm seeing that?
Yep.
Cool.
Ooh, I spelled that wrong.
Good. I'm going to add these to my list of handy dandy little things.
Then do it up again. Remove this one.
Yeah, we're just going to clear them all out.
Thanks.
And then go ahead and arrow all the way up to sudo docker container list a just to make sure they're all gone. Cool. Those are deleted. So we're going to go ahead and go back to activity 2, and we're just going to do that real quick.
Okay.
Solution file and go there real quick. No, that's day 4. Let me just read through day 2 real quick.
Okay.
Because we might not have to redo all of it. No, okay, we don't have to do that. Because you already set the permissions, right? In activity 2. The curl, I can, to find my IP, find your security group list under your, yeah, we don't have to do that. Create a role using SSH connection from your IP address. Yeah, we didn't mess with that. Choose inbound security roles on your left. Okay, that's all the same thing. Use your command line to SSH to the virtual machine.
It may be, if we can we just go through it? Because it's pretty quick, but I might be missing something. That's what I'm worried about.
I'm cool with that. So yeah, let's go ahead and do that then. Go ahead and on your left side, click the Azure Labs.
Okay.
And then just real quick, I'm going to go ahead and end the Zoom so it doesn't like kick us off mid-talk. And I'll send you another link right now in Slack.
Okay.
Cool. Other save start. It's just my face. Oh. Hey, there you are. And then whenever you can, go ahead and share your screen again for me.
Okay.
Cool. Alrighty, let's see here. Multiple presenters can share. That's cool. Maybe give it a sec. There we are. Okay, go ahead and go to the Azure Labs for me. Cool, so go ahead. So we're on the Jumpbox Provisioner. Cool. Go on the... I guess we may as well do that too, right?
Can I make this full screen for now?
Yeah.
For a second? Okay.
That's cool with me.
Okay.
Appreciate you. Just double click the top, yeah, or that. Cool.
Okay.
Let me just review it real quick. Okay. So I'm looking another activity back to make sure we're not going to miss anything. All right. So the goal of this activity was to create a security group rule SSH connection only for your current IP address and to connect to your virtual machine for management. First, find your IP address by opening terminal. So you do have your IP, we already established that. Next, log into, we're already here. To create a security group rule to allow SSH connection from your current IP. Let's see, find your security group list. So do me a security group list under the, yes. Click home on the top left for me.
All right.
And then security group. Resource group. You clicked on resource group?
Oh no, I clicked on security group. Let me go back.
Oh no, you're good. You're good. Resource group.
Okay.
Cool. And then on the left-hand side, click settings for me. No, I think you went to the right spot. Go back to where you were. My bad.
Okay.
Yeah, that's it. And then there we go. Under settings, inbound security roles.
Okay.
And then so priority. Do you remember what priority number you gave it when you set it up? Just for an easy spot out.
Oh, which one?
For this activity, you should have given it a priority number.
I think it was the 4094. Because this is the one for the main VM.
Did you do this step like 2 or 3 times by chance?
I did it cause I was a little confused. So I did it for Web 1 and Web 2. So I have This one is for the what is it? Jumpbox Provisioner.
Mm-hmm.
This one is for Web 1, and this one is for Web 2.
Let me come to mine and see if I've got that. Nebula. All right, we'll just set it at a higher ranked priority level. Go ahead and hit add
Okay.
for me.
All right.
And then here, give me 1 sec.
Okay.
For source, put my IP address. It should let you select it. Cool. Nice. It looks like it already loaded it. The 97 dot whatever. That's your IP address, right?
Right.
Cool. Source port ranges. We're going to leave that alone. Destination. Go ahead and change that to IP addresses. Cool. Destination. Go ahead and put that as. Let's see here. Destination. Port. 1 sec here. Destination. This can be service type. Put it better. Actually, I can just look at mine. Let me see how I set this up.
Okay.
To allow SSH from my IP. Allow my. Sure, that's it. From Jumpbox. Sorry, give me 1 sec here. Destination, this can be. For destination, just actually change that to service tag. I was going by the image in the service tag. I like that better. There we go. Virtual network. Service. Can you click on that for me? Change that to SSH for me.
Okay.
Cool. Priority. Give it a priority 101.
Okay.
Cool. So because that's lower than all the other numbers of your rules, this one's going to come first.
Okay.
For here, name, you could leave it as that. I believe I left it as that. Allow SSH from my IP. Yeah, you want to leave it at that, or you want to?
I'm going to just take out the inbound because I have another one kind of named that. I don't want it to conflict.
Cool. And then in description, I put allow SSH from my computer. And I'm going to paste that in chat if it pops up for you.
Oh.
I also DM'd it to you right now. Cool. And then add.
Okay.
Cool. Okay, step 4, use your command line. So we're going to go ahead and bust out the command line again.
Okay.
To SSH. Oh, real quick. So what are we in right now? No, we didn't reset the password, so we're not resetting anything. Okay. Use your command line to SSH to the virtual machine administrator. Windows user should get bash. Okay, that looks like get bash. The command connection. So go ahead and do. Hold on. Sure. Go ahead and do exit for me, just to be sure. I'm not sure if we're supposed to be in that already. Go ahead and do SSH space, and then whatever the admin user is. So I believe that'll be the Jumpbox admin.
Okay.
And then go ahead and put the Jumpbox's public IP.
All right.
Public, not private. And I think this is actually where we just exited, but that's okay.
I think so. All right.
Cool.
Yeah, we're good.
That's exactly where we were, right? Yeah. Cool.
Yep.
All right. So use the username. Okay. Yeah. Your SSH key should be used automatically. Okay, the first time you connect, you will need to, okay, once you are connected. Okay, so let's check our sudo permissions. Hit sudo space tac L. Good, that looks good. We have all sudo permissions and it requires no password. Please note that your public IP will change depending, okay. In normal environment, yeah. If you need to reset your SSH key, you can do so in the virtual details by setting okay. Alright, now we're back to activity 3 here. Open your terminal and SSH into your jump box. That's where we are. Once you're connected, run. So we're just going to go back through these. I'm sure it won't harm anything. Go ahead and do apt tac get update, and I'm actually just going to paste it in chat.
Okay, I got it.
Cool. And let me shrink. Oh, that didn't do what I wanted. Cool. Permission. Do sudo apt. Put sudo in front of it for me.
Okay.
List done. It looks like it actually worked, but just to be sure. So there's no problems.
There we are.
Okay. Cool. Next, go ahead and run this one. I just posted it in chat. Sudo apt install docker.io. And honestly, I just started copying and pasting yesterday because I was like, I don't need a spelling mistake.
Yeah, you're right.
Nice. I was like, I'm already making little mistakes. Nice. And then double check that the sudo. Oh, dude, I hate when it does that. Let me see. Stop. Okay, go ahead and type this one. So we're just going to check the status of it now. See if it's on. Sudo system control status docker. Is it easy? Never mind. No, that'll be a little difficult. Yeah. Okay, so it's already active, so we don't have to start it if the Docker service is not running. I just want to see that it's created now. This isn't in the instructions,
Okay.
but if you'll just, we're going to do that sudo docker container list A. I posted it again in chat.
Okay. And do I control C right here?
Yes, sorry.
Okay, no problem. I'm just making sure.
Didn't,
there we go.
And I posted it in chat again.
Okay.
I just want to make sure, see what. Okay.
I think. Is it? Or
maybe take off sudo. No, that should be it.
That should be it.
Let me think. Okay, well, anyhow, let me see memory. Let me look up there. Docker container list. Tac A. Okay, it's very case sensitive. That's why. It's because of the capital. That's interesting. Let me fix that in my notes real quick because that will get me later. Wow, it's that case sensitive. Okay.
That's great.
Right. Now the Docker's installed, we can pull the container. So I'm going to send another one in chat right now if my computer doesn't want to freeze. Okay. So we're going to do, there you are, sudo docker pull cybersecurity Ansible.
Okay.
Using default tag latest, give it a sec. There we are. Okay, that's what that did. Okay, now launch. Okay. Oh my god. Give me 1 sec. It's just freezing.
Okay.
There we are. Right. We're going to do sudo docker run, etc. in chat.
Okay.
Give it a sec. Nice. So now we're in here. You now get a new command prompt showing that you are connected to the container. So we have connected to the container. That's established. Let's see here. Now we need to create a security group, I guess. Okay, go ahead and type exit for me.
Okay.
I swear, I bet it's going to have us come back right back. Cool. All right. So now we need to create a security group rule that gives our Jumpbox machine full access to our virtual net. Without this permission, the Jumpbox will not be able to access any resources inside the Azure lab. Get the private IP of your Jumpbox. So now we're going to get the private. I believe I saw you had that.
Okay.
For the Jumpbox from the virtual machine resource page inside Azure. Go to your security. So we're going to go back to Azure so you can make that big if you want on your screen.
Okay. Going to the jump box.
No.
Okay.
Go to security group. Security. Network
Okay.
security group, I believe. And then inbound security roles. Okay. Okay, I was like, is this what we just did? But no, we did last activity. All right. Let's see here. Go ahead and do add again for me.
Okay.
Let me move this. All right, for the source, use the IP address setting from your source. Click source for me. Cool. IP address. Is that the, go ahead and type in the, there you go. Nice. And then that's the Jumpbox's private IP, right?
I can double check, but that's what I have listed. Yes.
Cool. Source port ranges, leave alone. Destination, virtual network. So we're going to change any to virtual network or service tag.
Okay.
Virtual network, and then service SSH. Cool. Priority, let's give it 102. Just keep it in order. Name, you can just name it Jumpbox Access. Oh, well, I guess Jumpbox Access 3. Looks like you've actually already got it set up, but just to be sure.
Okay.
Cool. Jumpbox Access 3. And then we can ask Poe if it's bad to have it multiple times. I don't think it'll do anything, but I'm not a pro.
I'm gonna put underscore
4 or
fix.
3. Fix.
Just so I know this is one we fixed.
Well, hopefully.
All right.
And then description SSH access from Jumpbox. Yeah, hopefully. We'll see. Cool, and then don't hit add yet. Let me just double check everything real quick. And of course it moved me. Let me just find where we were. Alright, go to security groups. Okay, secure. Use the IP address setting with your Jumpbox's internal IP address in the field. Source, any can be listed in your destination service tag. Okay, virtual network. Select SSH, which we did. Destination port 22, autofilled. Protocol TCP, which it chose. Action set the set to allow traffic from your Jumpbox. Yes. Priority, yes. Okay. To deny traffic, yes. Okay. All right. Your final security group should be similar to. Okay, go ahead and hit add for me. Cool.
All right.
Well, this is the easiest. Oh my god, why is that in my way? Well, okay. Well, this is the easiest way. Something to the VNet. Other types of include. Okay, that's just additional information. You should now have Docker and Ansible set up on your Jumpbox, with the box being able to access the entire VNet. Awesome. So now we're on week 13, day activity 4 here. In this activity, you will launch a new virtual machine from the Azure Lab portal that could only be accessed using the SSH key from a container inside your Jumpbox. Connect to your Azure container. So go ahead and pull up your terminal for me. Once you're connected, connect to your Ansible container.
All right. You said bring back up the terminal?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's see here. Let me just look at something real quick. Sudo docker run. Sudo docker container. Yeah. So go ahead and run that sudo docker container list again for me. I posted it in the chat. Docker run. So we do have it there.
Okay.
And then, so I believe we have to, let me just double check that we're not going to make another one. So since it's already created, we're not going to use start. We're going to use run, I believe. Let me just double check. This command starts an existing, run creates, and starts a new container. So we're going to use start. This command starts an existing. Okay. Let's see here. So go ahead and type docker start. And then let me actually just find something real quick. Give me one sec.
Okay.
Look at this video because I know I flashed it on my screen when I was stuck here. Okay, so this is when I had plenty of them. Oh, hold on, it's loading. Okay. Friendly mirror. Container list, yes. Okay. Alright, let me just make sure I'm going to give you the right steps here, because I don't want to guide you wrong. Give me one sec, I'm just going to type some stuff, and then we're going to get it.
Okay.
Sudo docker. You know what, actually I don't know why I moved down, keep it over. Yeah, give me like literally a minute or two. Let's say sudo docker container list. Sudo start is important. I believe I said we were going to do start. Then we're going to have to attach it. Attach, yes. That is... Ah, I did mess up. Okay. Good thing I checked. Okay, attach. Just attach. Okay. Then docker attach. That's in my screenshots. Attach friendly mirror. Okay. And I'm just making sure I got everything now. Okay. Let's get it. Alright, ready?
Alright.
Let me see. So I'm gonna post this one. Remove. So, whoops, I did not mean to have that hyphen in there.
Okay.
Here, I'm just gonna repost it.
Okay.
There you are. Sudo docker start, and before you hit enter, let me just double check one more time on the start and run. Start this command. Okay, starts an existing. Okay, so yes, we are using start. And then type in the container name, which will be Angry Volhard.
Oh, okay. I've never done this step before, so I know that's good.
Cool. And you see where I'm seeing that name, right?
Uh-huh.
Cool. Cool. And then go ahead and hit enter for me. Awesome. And then the next one we're gonna do just hit the up arrow and change start to attach.
Okay.
You're good. Nice. Now it's attached. All right, perfect. Now let's move on. So now we're gonna go ahead and okay, so you haven't done this part, right?
Let's see, which part is that?
This is where we're gonna go ahead and make the SSH key. Because you were
Yes.
redoing everything, you haven't done it yet, right?
I have not, because I have a key installed there, but I don't think it's probably relevant at this point
You're
after
good.
everything I've done.
You are good. We're gonna go ahead and reset it, and it should work. So let's see here. We're gonna go ahead and type that. I put it in chat. SSH keygen, etc. TRSA.
Okay.
Create. Yes. Give it a. Oh, hit enter 3 times for me. Nice. Cool. And then now we're going to go ahead. Oh my god, why does it do that? Give me 1 sec. I don't know why my screen moves on its own. Okay, go ahead and type that one for me. Cool, so it's there. Go ahead and type the next one, the cat one. So now this is going to print the SSH key that we just generated onto the screen.
Okay.
Cool. Okay, so now copy from the SSH-R all the way down to the 933.
Okay.
And do me a favor, copy it and DM it to me real quick.
Okay.
Not for anything malicious, just so
No, that's
if
cool.
you lose it, I got a backup. Cool. And then cool. Then just let me know when you got that.
Okay, so I copied it and I sent in the chat.
Cool. I'm gonna do this. So what kept getting people, I'm gonna DM it to you. There we are, so you have it if you lose it. Personally, I made a copy of this and made a copy of it and put it in a Word doc. Yeah, that was just me. But anyhow, it's in our chat, so should you lose it, you got it right there. All right,
Okay.
solution file. Let's go back there. All right. Oh, so what I was gonna say. So what was catching people here yesterday was when they copied it. After like the 933 there, it would add an extra space, and that was throwing people off. I double checked.
hearing
There's
that.
there's no extra space for you, so we're good.
Okay.
Let's see. All right, so go ahead and get rid of your terminal for now. Don't close it, but
Okay.
we don't need to see it right now. Cool. All right. Copy your public key string, return to the Azure lab, and locate one of your VMs. So go ahead and go to Home.
Okay.
And then click on Web 1. We're going to do this for both of them. Go, yes.
Okay.
And then hit yes. Click that. Use existing public key. Paste it in there for me. And then scroll up. Let's just make sure everything looks good.
Okay.
Scroll up on the key. Everything looks good. Go ahead and hit update for me. Cool. Go ahead and hit home. I'm gonna do it a little repetitious. Go back to Web 1 for me. And it said it updated it successfully. Go ahead and restart Web 1.
All right.
That's going to take probably 3 minutes. Okay, restarting virtual machine. Go ahead and go to home again.
Okay.
And let me double check myself before I keep doing this. Let me see. Public key for SSH user get. Okay. Internal IP for your VMs. Okay. After it launches, test your connection. Okay, yes. Go to Web 2 now. We're going to do the same exact thing. Okay. Yep. Reset. just scroll up. Let's make sure everything looks good. You don't have that extra space at the end. Cool, cool. Let's see the bottom. Okay, go ahead and update. Let's just verify success. Go ahead and hit home again, and then Web 2, and restart that. Cool. And then go ahead and chill in home for me. This Zoom's about to end, so I'm going to close it while this is restarting, and I'm going to send you another link and DM.
All right, thanks again.
Yeah, of course, man. Let's see here. Schedule. I don't think I need to mess with any of that. Password. Does there have to be a password? Was that there every time? Where's the link? Didn't show me a link this time. The fuck? Why are you being special right now? Okay, edit. Edit, I guess. I just want a link, man. Ah, here we go. Where are you, Steven? There you are. Sorry, bro. I forgot I have to let you in. I was all waiting.
No problem.
Righty, go ahead and share that screen with me.
All right.
Yes. Give me 1 sec. It's just loading.
Okay.
Go back to this.
There it goes, I think.
Yes, awesome. That should have been plenty of time. Alright, go ahead and pull up that terminal for me.
All right.
Cool. Alright, so after your VM launches, test your connection using SSH from your Jumpbox Ansible container. I believe we're still in that. So go ahead and it wants us to ping, so let me see. Let me double check myself. Okay. Go ahead and do ping. And then type in the private IP of Web1. Or can you click your Web1 right there for me? Because I forget if it's private or public.
Private, I think.
Private, yes. Type ping and then that.
Okay.
Cool. And then
Let's see.
100 packets lost. Okay, that's cool. I mean, it says it shouldn't work, but some people it worked for, other people it didn't.
Oh, okay.
Let me see here. Transmitted 0 received, 100 packets lost. All right. let's see here. That's actually exactly what it says on the notes, which is weird because, you know, conflicting stuff. Let me see here.
Right.
Let's see. After you VM launches, test your connection using from your. So I believe we're in the jump box container right now because the provisioner controls them. Go ahead and do SSH. And let me just double check myself real quick. The name, do me a favor. On your left side, go to security and scroll down all the way on the left side, like you're resetting. Oh,
okay.
You're good.
Sorry.
Web 1. You're okay.
Web 1.
You're good. And go back to like you're resetting it.
Okay.
So security, reset password. We're not going to actually reset anything. Okay. And then go ahead and pull up that terminal again. Red admin. Cool. So here do red admin. It is case sensitive, so just be aware of that. And then after that, do @ and then the IP address 10.0.0.5.
Okay.
And then go ahead and hit enter. Yes, type yes for me.
Okay.
Beautiful.
Yes,
that's exactly what we're supposed to.
I've never seen it.
That literally took me an hour because I was fucking putting a 4 instead of a 5 yesterday, and that hurt.
And that's why I kept seeing this on screenshots, but I never seen it on my terminal.
I know. Awesome. Go ahead and so now we're in Web 1. So technically, what's happening is we're in our jump box, and from our jump box, we're inside of the container Web 1.
Okay.
So we're gonna exit, and we're gonna do the same thing. We don't have to, but just to be sure. So just type exit for me. And then hit up arrow once. And then change that 5. What's the private IP
6.
to your Web 2? A 6? Go ahead and do a 6 then.
Okay.
And then enter. Yes. Give it a sec. Beautiful. All right. Don't exit yet. Let's make sure. Okay, yeah. Go ahead and type exit for me. Okay. Nice. This SSH. Also, I was also recording because if you don't mind, do you mind if I put this out on YouTube for anybody else that might be stuck here?
Not a problem.
All right. Cool. All right. Cool. Appreciate you. I'm probably not going to block all the IPs because there's so many of them. It'd be time consuming. Are you okay with that? Because I flashed mine as well. But are you sure you're okay with that?
I'm not for sure how much they can do with it. That's why I don't want to. But I mean, if you can edit a certain thing out if you catch it. But
okay. Whenever I upload it, I'll try to catch it.
Okay.
I mean, I'll catch all of them. Yeah, no worries. Because it's pretty. There were steps that we took. I'm pretty sure I can catch it.
Okay.
Yeah. Also, I think you can change your IP as well just by rebooting your router ever. But whatever, I'll still double check.
Yeah. Okay. Thanks.
Cool. Yeah, of course. Let's see here. So we're gonna proceed. Exit. Yes, we just did that. Locate the Ansible configure file and. Okay, good. Now we're on to this. Let me just take a mental break real quick. Okay, let's get it. Locate the Ansible config. Let me pull up my... Okay. So we should be in that. Let me look at a video real quick. So we're getting close to where I am at.
Okay. Because a little bit of that provision when I knew I didn't have a connection, but I did go in and nano. I think I made my edits to put in the Python code and some of those steps. So we might have a little easy ride through the rest.
Okay, cool. Then if we spot that, then we don't have to do it. Give me 1 sec. I'm just gonna see what they do here. Okay. So here, we're gonna stay here. Do CD // etc Oh, hold on. Space between the.
Okay. Yeah, I thought so.
No, you're good. And then Ansible, Ansible. Enter. And then we're gonna ls.
Okay.
And then so we see that. And then for me, give me one sec. Do nano space. Oh, hold on. You don't have that, do you? Oh, wait, yeah, we're making it. My tac playbook dot YML and don't hit enter yet. YML, go back and get rid of the space between my and the tac for me.
Okay.
Cool. Now hit enter. Awesome. I'm gonna have to come back to here. So give me one sec here. What? Oh, I forget. It's in resources. Scroll back up then. Sorry, I lost my spot. Give me one sec here. Okay, here we are. There you are. Go ahead and paste that in there for me.
Okay.
And that was in resources. I'm just saying that because if I do post this on YouTube, just for anybody that doesn't know.
Gotcha.
Cool. Give me one sec. Let me see what's going to happen here.
The host want.
Alright, let's see here. You're going to see a bit of repetition in this. Just copy the difference in the same format for me.
Okay.
There you are. Probably should.
Oh, and I didn't get that 3 tax up top. Here, let me redo that.
Cool. Honestly, you can just erase the whole thing and recopy the new one I sent. Alt K.
I got you.
Oh, or that. Hold back. Cool.
All right. So let's see.
Cool. That looks good. Anything wrong with it? Let me see what we do next real quick.
So this would be our first action inside of our playbook. So each task is going to be marked with that tac. So the tac before name signifies this is an individual action. This is essentially going in all right, so this would be our first
Can you hear that?
action inside of our playbook.
You can't hear this?
So
what are you chilling?
each
Oh no. Can you see my screen?
Let's see. Oh no. You want me to stop sharing?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sorry, I took a bite of food and muted my mic. I was talking for a second, my bad. Can you see my screen now?
Yes.
And can you hear that now?
Be marked with that tac.
I can't hear that.
So the tac before name.
All right. Well, no worries.
This is an individual action.
Oh, you playing the video from class?
This is essentially going in
My own
And
recording.
naming the module, so the .ap save and exit out and enter space, and then the name of that playbook. So you should be able to just type my and then tab it, and it'll finish it. And then enter.
All right, so right here she did something, but we got to make sure we got all of our stuff done. I know you said you did the Python stuff. Let's go and double check.
Okay, thanks.
Yeah, no problem. Go ahead and share your screen again for me.
Okay.
Let's go over here, solution file.
So, should I save this Nano?
Yes, yeah.
Okay.
And then you can full screen your terminal if you want, because I believe we're done with the Azure for now. Cool. All right, so from there, let's see where we are. Go ahead and do, hold on, give me one sec. LS.
Okay.
Only thing I don't like about root is everything is in white, so it's kind of hard to see where we're typing, you know what I mean?
I got you.
Exit, okay, CD and so, okay, there's the LS. There's host. Okay, so we're already there. Open this machine's host file. Okay, so go ahead and do nano. Or you know what? I'll post it in the chat.
Okay.
Oh, I was like, where's all our text? But I forget it's new Zoom. Oh, you're missing the N.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so I'm not sure if we're gonna have to redo all this for project 1, but that's my hunch, but I may be wrong, so yeah. Alright, let's see here. Uncomment the web servers. So go ahead and just scroll down until you see web servers somewhere. Okay, nice. Yep, go ahead and get rid of that. Headline, add the internal IP address under the web server header. Let me actually pull up mine real quick, and then we will go based off of that.
Okay.
Actually,
Yeah, I agree with you. I think we're gonna have to do a lot of this stuff for the project. That's why I really want to make sure I understood, be on course.
yeah. It's also kind of why I was wanting to make a video like this, in case if anybody gets stuck. Please don't. Sorry, I'm listening to my video. I just said something funny. Let's see here. So
For web.
The
Hold on. Mismatch. I would just copy and paste. Just make sure that
here, I'll share my screen too, so you can just see me clicking through.
just real quick, I just came back. The ace, the ace.
Gotcha.
Okay.
I wanna
Trying to figure out where I'm at here.
there's the 10
Okay, so
dots here at the bottom with the Python.
Oh, I'm far back.
Out of any curiosity.
Thank you. I'm so dumb. I didn't record myself doing it. Okay, no video. Let me just go back in there. I'm just gonna open it up on my terminal. You can go ahead and share your screen, and well, this will work because I'll get the recording on this one. Let me. So where am I on mine? So I believe it's SSH. Let me just go SSH into mine real quick.
Okay.
And I'm gonna put it on this screen here too. Detached again. Coast east That's which one are we in? Sorry, it's just gonna take me a minute. Are we in jump box provisioner right now? Do you recall? No, we're in a root, so we're in a container.
I think we're in the probably Web 2. I mean, no, Ansible.
Okay. Jump box provisioner. Using the private one. Or and I didn't spell it right. Give me 1 second, it's gonna fail. Oh, you know what? I can cancel it. You know what? Let me see if I can't just find it in the notes real quick.
Okay.
Header, add the internal IP address under header. So go ahead and go under. So we got web servers here. Then we see alpha example.org, beta 192.192. Go right under the 192 for me. Cool. And then type in both web 1 and web 2 private IPs.
Okay.
Oh, it's the public one, that's why. Sorry, I'm trying to
No
log in. I'm not about to type that.
Let me just double check those are the right ones.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I know why it's not connecting. It's not on. Okay.
And then I remember this part. I think it is.
The
Tell me if I'm
Python.
right.
Yes, that looks right to me.
And I think this one was spaced under a little bit indented.
I don't recall, to be honest. Ah, there we go. Oh yeah, I noticed that too. I didn't do that though, but probably should be. Let's see
Yeah.
here. Yeah, you got the higher number under. That's good. And then yes, nice. Let's see. I believe that's all for here. Go ahead and save that for me.
Okay.
Cool. Let me just double check something. Site each IP. Should live in etc. Yes. Comment. Okay. Yes. Yes. Okay. I should probably change that on mine. Let's see. Change Ansible configuration file using. And we just. Did we do that? No. Okay. Go ahead and type. Oh. Why does it do that? 1 sec. It moved my screen.
Okay. Tell me if I'm right. I just typed it in.
Yes, that's exactly what I was gonna. Yes.
Okay.
Ansible. And this is kind of actually where we were, right? Oh yeah, go down to remote user. So
Okay.
I think in this one you got to scroll down just a little bit.
There it is.
Cool. And then remote user, you'll change it to your admin name. So I think yours
Okay.
is red something.
Yep. And we uncomment it, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Uncomment remote user, line and replace root with your admin username using the format yes. Mm-hmm. Let's make sure there's nothing else in here. That looks good. Go ahead and save that for me.
Okay.
Action using the appropriate Ansible if you used. Test an Ansible connection using the appropriate Ansible command. Okay, but what's the command here? I'm not remembering.
I
You know what?
see it. I'm gonna type it in. Tell me if
Awesome.
that look right.
I think that's it. I really don't know, but go ahead and hit enter.
Okay.
I think that's it.
No, it didn't do anything.
Nah, let me see. What was it? Let me think. Here it is. I'm gonna post it in chat.
Okay.
There you go. Try that one. Oh, hold on. I left out an A in the front.
Okay, I can fix that.
There you go.
Oh, there you go. Thanks.
Mm-hmm. Now paste. Give it a sec.
Okay.
Can take a minute. False. Failed. An unexpected error during text. Full trash back USVV. And I think this is an error that a lot of people were having yesterday. I'm assuming.
I think I seen this on the screen.
Yeah, I think this is one of the ones that she was gonna troubleshoot. Let me see here. Let me just make sure that I'm not missing anything. Let's just double check everything. Hit up arrow twice for me.
Okay.
Once more. Let's go in there and let's just double check the remote user looks good. Gonna scroll all the way down. It should stand out since we uncommented it. There we are. Following remote underscore user space equals username. That looks fine. Okay, so that looks fine. Let's go ahead and exit out of there. Save.
Okay. Oh, give me 1 second. Okay. Oops. What's on the screen, I guess.
Good. Okay, go ahead and up arrow. Yeah, just keep hitting up, and I'm gonna wait for a certain. There. Go ahead and host for me.
Okay.
Oh, hold on.
Maybe I need to take the indent out.
Yeah, try that. Give me 1 sec. I'm gonna answer a phone call real quick. Hey.
Hey, Saul's waiting for you.
Righty. See if we can. Yeah, and go ahead and save that then. Oh, I'm muted. Go ahead and save that.
Okay.
And then let's see here. Let me scroll up. Make sure. It's the first. And then let me pull that video back up real quick. So go ahead and run the Ansible all mping again, and let's just see what it does in the meantime while I find that spot again.
Okay.
Alright, today's week 13, day 3. Damn. So it's failing on the 10.5. Why?
Let's see.
Let's try one other thing. Hit the up arrow for me until you get to where we're putting in the private IPs. I forget which one it was. Try that
I think
one.
it's host.
Host? Okay, let's try that one. And then let's see here. If That's important. No. 10-6. I don't see anything wrong with that.
I don't either.
Go ahead and exit that.
Okay. Should I put a space in between this?
Yeah, it doesn't hurt.
Okay.
Was there a space already beforehand?
I think so. I kind of think so. I'm not for sure. Let's see.
Good. It wouldn't hurt to try. Cool. Let's save that. And then go ahead and up arrow for me till you pull up the Nano My Playbook YML. There we are. Let's just double check everything in here. Do me a favor, put a space after. Oh, you know what? Let me just double check myself real quick. Look at that screenshot I sent you. Yeah. So tasks, put a space like separating
Okay.
task and name like.
No.
Yeah, no, yeah, you know what I'm going for. There you go. And then let me
Yep.
look at one other thing here. You got the 3 hyphens up top. Name my first playbook, host web servers, become true tasks. Okay, name install Apache, etc. APT. Yes. Okay.
Is that HTTPD correct?
Yeah.
Okay.
Go ahead and save that.
All right.
And let's just try it one more time.
Going for all ping.
Yeah.
Oh man.
All
It
right.
says 10:05. I mean the
Mhm.
the one ending in 5 is closed. I wonder if this got something to do with my
You want to just double check if it
Azure.
is open? It shouldn't have closed by itself.
Yeah, let me see.
No, because we did SSH into it
Yeah.
earlier.
Right. Well, I don't know if I should do that. Let me get out of here.
Go ahead. Yeah, and then so if this had worked, this is exactly
Mhm.
where I'm at right now. This is as far as I
Okay.
got.
That's no problem. I mean, I can try to figure this out. You
Mhm.
helped me so much. I'm so much further ahead than I was.
Of course, I got you. But I am gonna have to step out. My little baby
Okay.
just woke up, but
I got you. Okay.
if anything, let's ask Poe because I think other people were getting stuck here, and I think
Mhm.
she was gonna troubleshoot it last night.
Okay.
So, yeah. But all right, my man, you all good?
All right.
If I go ahead and leave
Truly
you?
appreciate it. Thank you again.
Of course, my man. I'll see you in a few. You be
Okay.
safe.
See you then. Thanks. You
Right.
too.
No problem. Cool. Let's go get my baby girl.